In this video, I'll show you how to remove an existing intercom and how to handle the existing wiring. Carefully remove the intercom from the wall. Try not to damage the old intercom, as we'll be returning it back to the client. Once you've detached the intercom, pull out all the wires so you can see what you're working with. We'll be cutting the power first, so identify the red and black wires and then cut. Then proceed to cut the remaining wires. Pro tip: try to cut the wires as far from the intercom hardware as possible, so that, in the rare case of needing to put the intercom back on the wall, you can easily splice the wires together. The backplate of your new smart intercom needs to sit flush with the wall, so we'll perform some basic surface preparation before mounting the backplate. At this job site, we used a knife or scraper to remove silicone left over from the last intercom. We then used a toner to track the path of the cables through the building into the electrical room.
It's solid. There's no shorts. Okay.